My name is Jacob Peachy with Florida Structural Group. We're back at Tropic Shores on Daytona Beach. We've installed roughly about 90 panels on the front face. Today we'll be installing the 30-foot return on the south side. They'll be jetting in the 20-foot true line seawall panels, evacuating the sand out from inside of the panels, installing the 4 pieces of bassinet bars vertically and 5 pieces of bassinet bars horizontally. Check back in about a month or so for more project updates.